Welcome to Njenje Media TV. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. The former chairman of the defunct Pension Reform Task Force, Mr. Abdulrasheed Maina, today, being Tuesday, the 10th of December 2020, collapsed in court. The federal government is prosecuting Mr. Maina on a 12-count charge of fraud and money laundering before a federal high court sitting in Abuja. Mr. Maina was recently extradited from the Republic of Niger after he jumped bail and escaped the country. The former pension boss collapsed while his counsel, Anayo Adibe, was addressing the court on his no-cause submission before Justice Okon Abang. Njenje Media can authoritatively tell us that before Maina collapsed, his counsel was praying the court for an adjournment to enable him go get a record of the court proceedings. The proceeding would have helped Maina to prepare for the no-cause submission he intends to file on behalf of his client, Adibe said. But after Maina collapsed, the court rose appropriately to enable officials of the correctional services and relations of the former pension boss to attend to him. The question that we at Njenje Media is asking is, why is it that anytime they steal our money, anytime they rape the economy of this sinking nation, they would be collapsing? Remember, when the House Committee was investigating the issue of NDDC, we saw a professor, Professor Pondi, collapse. When Olisametu was told to come and account for how much was given to him during the Goodluck Jonathan election time, he came to court on stretchers. When Dino Melaye was asked to face the law, he fainted. Why is it that these men are doing this thing to this nation? They keep doing the same thing repeatedly. Now Maina is just fainting. Why is Maina fainting? The matter had to be adjourned on Wednesday to today for the defendant to argue his non-case submission and for the prosecution to respond to the same orally. Somehow, it appears he felt that the Justice Abang is not going to take or hear what he was about to say, and he decided that the best thing to do is to feign that he is fainting. Why is it that they can all be healthy when they are stealing? The moment you catch them and ask them to account for what they are stealing or what they stole, they all want to feign that they are dying now. Nigeria is not working. Nigeria has not worked. Nigeria will not work. It's time to do away with this nation. It's time to deal with these corrupt men and women in the way the Chinese government deals with theirs. Maybe that will be the only time that people will begin to take Nigeria serious. My name is Mike Udenta. This is Njenje Media TV.